Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good morning. We are on the campus of the University of the Virgin Islands, where John Brewer's Beach is located, and we're about to basically share a little bit of information with you guys about John Brewer's Beach today. I'll be looking at doing an in-depth review of at least one or two beaches a month. And we're going to start with John Brewer's Beach, which is one of my favorite beaches on the island. It is the beach that I came to most on the island, even walked to, because it was within, it was basically a 10 to 15 minute walk from my house. So I'll go ahead and basically start giving you some information, or would love to share some information about John Brewer's Beach here in St. Thomas with you guys today. John Brewer's Bay is located on the campus of the University of the Virgin Islands. It's one of the few campuses in the world, or maybe one of two, that features both a golf course and a beach. So correct me if I'm wrong, or leave a comment below and let me know if there are any other campuses you know about that have such awesomeness. We have a beautiful view of the airport runway, and this will be your view if you're sitting on the left side of the aircraft when you're landing on Cyril E. King Airport. The beach is located on the western end of the island. There are two food vans located on the beach in case you come to the beach and you don't prepare something to eat. From this beach you could see the cave right up there. You can check out two of my videos. One of the video I'm flying my drone up to the cave, and the other video I'm actually hiking up to the cave with some of my friends. Of course, it is wheelchair accessible. It's one of the few beaches on the island that has a place for you to wash off when you're done. Even if you're in a wheelchair, you have the ability to come and use the restrooms. One of the nicer beaches on the island, of course, as I was saying. My long, this seems to be about 1/3 of the length of not 1/3, about 1/4 of the length of Megan's Bay Beach. Now the bay itself does continue on down there. So in totality, it may be like a half a mile, but that part isn't really swimmable. This is the western end of the beach. This is the eastern end of the beach over here, where we have the marine biology department and so forth for UVI, University of the Virgin Islands. If you are into or interested in marine biology, this would become highly recommended as a school for you to come to, for the university for you to come to. Alright guys, as I mentioned in previous videos, it seems as if almost every beach that I've been to down on the western end of the island have some type of ruins, such as displayed here. This is the ruins here at John Brewer's Beach, of course, because it's taken care of by UVI, the guys who do the maintenance and so forth. They basically clean up down here, and so that's why this one is cleared up real good and so forth, and you have a good view of what's going on
inside, and all of the buildings seem to pretty much have like the same basic design and so forth. So as I said, you basically could imagine expect to see a ruin at every location where they have the beach, the different bays down here on the island. You could expect to see the what you call it there? Okay, this is known as a flamboyant tree right here. This is an early bloomer. They usually bloom later on in the summer, but this is one of the trees that bloom early. There's a rare, they usually come out in a red or orange flowers, and there's a tree over there on the other end. It's not in bloom as yet, but that's a rare yellow one. When it blooms yellow. Back here we have what is known as an amphitheater, Reichel Center for the Arts. Here is where we usually would host different singers, artists, musicians, bands, all that good stuff when they come down, but it got destroyed by the hurricane also. I can't remember the name of these flowers right here, but they're in bloom also all over the island. I'll try to look up the name of the flowers for you guys. Mainly have the beaches either on the northern end of the island or the southern end of the island. This one is facing south, so the waters is much calmer. This is one of the reasons why I love the John Brewer's beach, because the airport originally came to about right there, if you can see where I'm pointing, and then they cut down. There used to, where the current terminal is, there used to be a hill, probably about just as high as this hill that's right here. Just as high as this hill that's here. They cut down the hill and they pushed all the soil and everything that they got, the rocks and everything that they got to fill in the airport and make it longer. Yeah, I'm a pilot, a flight enthusiast, guys. As I said many times, I love to get in the air. Probably that's one of the reasons I fly a drone. John Brewer's Beach, ladies and gentlemen.